Hello, my name is Cio D'Or and I was playing last time at Vertigo in Leipzig, and it was an amazing crowd and also sound system. Also food was fantastic and they had a performance and around me I really liked the booking, very interesting music, and they have an idea to open their own venue with 2 rooms, and in one room there should be techno, house, and the other room something experimental music. I think it's very important to hear also different sounds and performances, art, and so on. And I think they do very nice and have very good power to do this idea, to make it alive. And I would love to feature them, and I hope that you feature them too, and to see you there again in Leipzig at the new Vertigo. So hopefully see you there. Bye bye.